Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this page of Hacoo app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo and then you will update your app. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.